You have a how-to channel, and in the last few months your views are dropping and still continuing to drop? Unfortunately, I don't want to disappoint you, but this trend will continue. The drop in views is not temporary. And first of all, this is not your mistake. It doesn't mean your videos are bad. It doesn't mean your channel is dead. This is happening because of AI, and yes, AI is killing how-to channels. A few months ago, Google Search implemented AI answers. Now, when someone searches for almost any how-to keyword, the AI answer appears first. Before, your video could be the first result. Or at least in the top results. There is an unwritten rule in search results. The first result gets around 90% of the clicks. The second gets much less. The third gets around 10% or even less. Now the AI answer takes those 90% of clicks. And videos are pushed to third place or lower. This leaves only a small percentage of traffic for videos. And this is why useful how-to channels are suffering right now. Not because they are bad, but because AI answers replace basic instructions. This is the reality for how-to channels today. And unfortunately, it's getting stronger, not weaker. If you're experiencing the same problem, write it in the comments. I really want to know if this is happening to you too. And if you have any ideas or suggestions on how we can slow this down or adapt, share them. Maybe together we can find a solution. If this topic matters to you, leave a like. It helps this video reach other how-to creators who are struggling with the same issue. And subscribe if you want to follow this journey. I'll keep testing, adapting, and sharing what actually works and what doesn't. This is not clickbait. This is the reality right now.